Hey guys, welcome to another episode on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to deal with date and time on Linux from command line. And first command that we are going to deal with is command date. You are probably going to use this command if you are using some minimalistic kind of Linux. So if I execute it, and I'm going to get this as a result. So Wednesday, October 25, 6:37 p.m. That's my local time. And now I'm going to show you how to set time zones. But first I want to show you how to get a list of all available time zones. For that you are going to use program time date ctl and ask for help. So what we want to get a list of time zones. So once again, time date ctl list time zones, and in here you are going to get a list of all of time zones. I'm going to exit from here, and in order to set time zone we are going to use a system variable tz, and from Europe Belgrade I want to set to America Los Angeles, and I have to export tz. Now if I use date, you see what is my result. So it's still Wednesday, October 25, but now it's 9:40 a.m. And now I'm going to get my previous settings with time zone Europe Belgrade, and now export time zone, and now I'm going to execute date once again. So Wednesday, October 25, 6:40 p.m. And finally, if you want to set time and date manually with command date, what you are going to use? You are going to use date command S, and then as string we are going to provide time and date that we want to set, but that string needs to be properly formatted. So first we are going to enter year, so 2024 dash. Now we are going to enter month, 5th, and then we are going to enter day of 20th. Okay, now I'm going to add time 18 20 25, but I need to use command sudo for it. All right, and finally you see what is my result now. So Monday, May 20th, 6:20 p.m. year 2024. And now let's set my date back to original. So sudo date year 2023, month 10th, day 25, time 18, 43, let's say 20. All right, and now we are back at the beginning. And final thing what I want to show you with command date help. Now if you want to get some response from date, but you need to format it in a way that suits your need, here is the way. So let's say that I want to print my date in certain way. So I'm going to use command date, then plus quotation marks, and with %d I want to print day of the month. Now I want 2 spaces, then % small letter m, this is a month in our year, and now I want to use percentage capital Y. With capital Y I want to print year in 4 decimal format. Okay, and I want 2 dashes, and time is going to be printed as capital H, column, capital M, column, and for seconds I want %S. All right, I'm going to execute this, and of course this is date formatted in way we like. But now, as I said, you are going to use command date if you are dealing with some minimalistic installations of Linux. But if you are dealing with full OS, with graphical user interface and all of that, this is not going to work, because Linux uses NTP-D in order to deal with time. NTP-D, it's a service installed on your operating system, and the purpose is to synchronize time. So if I type sudo systemctl status NTP-D, you see that I have this service installed, but it's temporarily unavailable. But either way, you are going to deal with this service rather directly. Rather, you are going to use another program that I show you at the beginning. TimeDateCTL. If I execute this program, you see this is going to be a result. So in here we can see that NTP service is active, and that my time zone is Europe Belgrade. Now I'm going to call help for this program. TimeDateCTL help. So with status we are going to get settings for our time and date, which show we are going to print time and date. We can set time and date, we can set time zone. So first let's set time zone. TimeDateCTL set time zone, and I'm going to set it to America dash, meaning / Los Angeles. Okay, now if I use TimeDateCTL, you see everything changed. My time zone is America Los Angeles, and time settings are changed accordingly. Now I am going to reset all of that to Europe Belgrade. Let's do it again, and of course we are at the beginning. But now what if you want to set time manually, and by using TimeDateCTL those settings are going to be replicated to your entire operating system. Now if you want to use this command to do so, datectl set time, and if we say something like let's say 5 AM, this is going to be a result. You see, we are failed to execute our command. Why? Because automatic time synchronization is enabled. This is a NTP service. Now what we have to do in order to solve this problem, it's TimeDateCTL, and command name is set NTP, set NTP, set it to false. Alright, and now we can freely set time for our operating system. You see? Now I'm going to print status out to see the result. Alright, our time is set to 5 AM. And now in order to get my old settings back, all that I have to do is just to enable my NTP service. So set it to true. Alright, and I'm going to print my status once again. Alright, 1851. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!